What can we expect our weather to look like in February? To start off, here's our departure from normal temperatures over the last 60 days. Everything you see out here in the green is below average temperatures. So we have been cold over the last 2 months out east, and we have been very warm out west. When it comes to precipitation, most of the country has actually been about average to slightly below average, although we will end up with some above average snowfall in the south. To kick off February, we are expecting some warm air to return to the east, and potentially some cooler weather to return to the west and especially the southwest. Overall, for the month of February, the Climate Prediction Center does expect a warm-up in the Sun Belt and up the eastern seaboard, with below-average temperatures moving back into the Pacific Northwest and into the northern plains. And everywhere in between, they expect to remain about average. They are expecting significantly above-average precipitation through the Ohio Valley, the Midwest, and up through New England. And remember, this is February, so there could be a lot of this falling as snow. And with that cold air and above-average precipitation expected back in the Pacific Northwest, you could expect your snow chances to increase. Part of the reason for all this cold air that we've had in the lower 48 and especially out east this month has been because we've had a weakened polar jet, allowing some of that Arctic air to dive to the south. And you can really see that represented on this 500 millibar height anomaly map. We will see as we move forward in February, this cold air and troughing is expected to move back up into the Arctic. This should push us back into a positive AO and begin to strengthen our polar jet again, warming us up for a slight period of time in the lower 48, and at the same time potentially bringing some cold air and wintry weather back into the west and up through the plains. With this positive eastern Pacific oscillation projected and some of our other teleconnections, this can help to bring our winter storm tracks back up into the Midwest and northern plains by shifting our jet stream, allowing more troughing out west and ridging in the east. So to summarize, I do believe we will start off February and push through the middle of February with more of a winter-like setup in the west with some warmer conditions returning to the east. Although as we approach the end of February, that might change. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching this video. If you like this type of content, feel free to throw me a follow or a sub. I make posts like this every single day and I stream every single night. I'll see you in the next video.